Why do two people with the exact same paycheck end up in completely different worlds? It's not luck, it's a glitch in your brain. And I'm about to show you how to fix it. Yo, real talk. The middle class has been sold a lie. And the wildest part, people will literally argue with you. When you try to show them the truth, it's not a lie about hard work. Hard work is real. It's a lie about how wealth actually arrives. Because somewhere along the way, millions of people stopped building and started waiting for the big break, the perfect moment, the investment that blows up overnight. That right there, that's the lottery mindset. And it is silently destroying more financial futures than any bad investment ever could. Let's get into it. I want you to meet somebody named Patricia. Years old, hard-working, sharp. Makes $72,000 a year, more than most people in this country. And she has been waiting to start investing until she has enough every Friday. 2 lottery tickets, not because she thinks she'll win, but in her words, you never know. 6 years of talking about starting her business. $5,000 into a crypto coin in 2021 because her cousin said it was going to the moon. It did not go to the moon. Now here's what I need you to understand. Patricia is not bad with money. Patricia is not irresponsible. Patricia has a lottery mindset, and it shows up in ways that have absolutely nothing to do with actual lottery tickets. What the lottery mindset actually is. First, let's define this properly. The lottery mindset is not about gambling. It is a belief system. And that belief says wealth comes from an event, not a process, and it shows up everywhere, waiting for the perfect time to invest. Instead of starting now, chasing hot stocks and trending coins. Instead of building real positions, fantasizing about inheritance. Instead of building equity, wanting to go viral overnight. Instead of building brick by brick, you see what every single one of these has in common. They're passive. Every one of them is waiting on something external to come save the situation. But the wealthy don't think like this. Not because they're luckier, because they understand. Wealth is a construction project built brick by brick over time. It is not a lightning strike. Warren Buffett made 99% of his wealth after age 52. Not overnight, not one lucky trade. 40 years of laying bricks. Why the middle class is the most vulnerable. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. The lottery mindset is more dangerous for middle class people than anyone else. Why? Because the middle class is just enough to feel stable, but not enough to feel free. And that gap from right there, that gap creates a hunger for shortcuts. Poor communities understand raw hustle at a deep level. Survival demanded it. The ultra-wealthy have systems already in place. They don't need shortcuts. But the middle class, comfortable enough to be complacent, frustrated enough to gamble. The $500 crypto play. The MLM that just makes sense this time. A hot IPO somebody mentioned at work. The get-rich-quick course that promises everything. All of it is the lottery mindset, just wearing a suit. Patricia did every single one of these, and after each one failed, she said the same thing. I just need to find the right one. That's not strategy. That's an addiction dressed up as ambition. The real wealth process nobody wants to talk about. Here's the actual truth about how wealth is built. And I need you to really hear this because it's simple, almost too simple. Which is exactly why most people ignore it. Earn money, keep more than you spend. Invest the difference consistently. Let time do the heavy lifting. That's the whole formula. But our brains hate it because there's no story in it. No drama, no overnight moment. Compound interest is the most powerful force in personal finance. But it requires one thing most people won't give it. Patience. Here's the math on Patricia. If she had invested just $300 a month, starting at age 25 into a basic index fund, averaging 10% annually, or by age 65, she'd have $1.9 million, $300 a month. No lottery, no lucky break, no cousin with a hot tip, just a process. Started early, stayed consistent. She had the income the whole time. She just didn't have the mindset. All right, here's exactly how you kill the lottery mindset before it kills your future. Step 1, audit yourself for event thinking. Are you waiting for the right moment before you start? Are you chasing returns instead of building positions? That's the mindset right now in real time. Name it. Step 2, fall in love with boring. Boring is where wealth actually lives. The boring index fund, the boring monthly contribution, the boring automatic transfer. Boring builds generational wealth. Exciting builds a great story about why you're still broke. Step 3, define your process, not your outcome. Don't say I want $1 million. That's a wish say. I will invest this amount every month into these vehicles for this long. That's a process. And process thinking destroys lottery thinking because it gives you something to execute today, not wait for step 4. Protect your environment. The lottery mindset is contagious. If everyone around you is chasing the next hot thing, you will absorb that energy whether you want to or not. Patricia's wake-up call came from a 29-year-old coworker already on her second rental property. Patricia asked how the answer. She started at $23,200 a month into an index fund, rolled the gains into a down payment. No lottery, no viral moment, just process. Patricia is 7 months into her investment plan now. It's not exciting. It doesn't make a good story for the group chat, but for the first time in years, she actually feels free. That shift is available to anyone willing to make it. Subscribe and stay locked in because we go deeper every single week. Real math, real strategy, real freedom, no shortcuts. Let's build.